Greetings from Holodev Computer Consultants. This is Travis. Today's video is going to go over how to download and install free antivirus software from Comodo.com. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and open up our web browser. I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox because I like it. And we're going to go to Comodo.com. Down below free Comodo downloads, we're going to click on Comodo Antivirus. On the next page, we're going to click on free antivirus download. Now, I've already taken the time to download this file before making the video, so if you don't have the file on your computer, go ahead and click Save File. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. Now I'm going to open up my Downloads folder, and I'm going to double click the installer and say OK. And I'm going to click Run. Now on this machine that I'm working with today, there is no antivirus software running on here. So I can just straight away download and install Comodo Antivirus on this machine without any issues. Now if you already have antivirus software running on your machine, what you'll want to do is download the Comodo installer file from Comodo.com, and then you'll want to remove the antivirus that's currently on your machine and then go ahead and install Comodo Antivirus on there. So we're going to go ahead and select our language. If your preferred language is other than English, then select from the list down here. Otherwise, click OK to continue. We're going to uncheck these two boxes in here. These are features that I just don't find necessary, so I don't use them. So I just recommend that you don't use them as well. We're going to uncheck install Comodo Geek Buddy and Comodo Dragon web browser as well. And we're going to click back. Now we're going to click next, and we're going to uncheck these two boxes as well. These for Comodo's DNS servers, and then this is also for adding Yahoo to our web browser. So we're going to uncheck those, and we're going to agree and install. So while Comodo is installing there, I want to point out that sometimes we'll get machines where there's two antivirus programs running at the same time. For example, they might have Norton and McAfee running on their systems. It's not best practice to have, and it's not recommended to have, two antivirus programs running on the same machine. And that's simply because the two programs can conflict with each other and slow down the performance of your machine. So it's of no benefit to you, the computer user, and your computer to have two different antivirus programs running at the same time. Of course, there are other programs that you can download and install on your system that can complement your antivirus software. And I'm going to put together a video later on that highlights some of the popular programs that complement your antivirus software. Alright, so you're going to get to the congratulations page, and we're just going to close that. Now you can see we have this widget up here from Comodo, and our status is at risk, and that's because we've just installed Comodo Antivirus on this machine and it hasn't been updated. So a couple of things that Comodo is going to do is they're going to want to run an initial scan, as you can see here. We're going to just minimize this for the time being, and you can click this Do Not Show This message again and hit OK. And from here we're going to click the Never Updated box, and then we're going to click Check for Updates. Now this is going to download the antivirus signatures database to your computer. As you can see, this is going on. This is a rather large file. It's 205 megabytes, so depending on the speed of your connection, it could take a little bit of time. While we're waiting for that to occur, we're going to minimize that. And we're going to go up to the widget. Now if you like having the Twitter and Facebook connect panes there. You can leave them there. Otherwise, I just go ahead and I just get rid of them. If you like to have the browsers there, you can leave it. Otherwise, you can right-click in that section of the widget, and you can go ahead and uncheck the Show Browser pane. And now you have these 5 up here, which we can reduce the number of those as well. Get Live Support, go ahead and right-click on that and just say Remove from Taskbar. And Virtual Desktop, you can go ahead and right-click and remove from the taskbar as well. So you have Scan, Update, and View Quarantine. That's how I have mine set up. A little bit cleaner, and you can see the widget cleaned up here as well too. Let's take a look and see how we're doing here. Alright, we're 45%. We'll minimize this. Over in Tasks, if you click in Tasks, you can see that you've got some other options here. What I think is pretty neat is Advanced Tasks. And I've used some of these programs, and they're quite effective. I won't go over them in this video. I will later on. But Comodo has a kill switch, which is very handy to quickly identify untrusted programs that are running, and you can identify those and kill those. Clean Endpoint is also a very good virus cleanup tool. And we're going to go back home. Now let's go back and see. We are almost done downloading the signature file. There are some other features within Comodo. If we click on this box over here, we can take a look at some statuses about Comodo. Last update, obviously, that's going to be never updated because we just installed Comodo. You have Auto Sandbox, and you have HIPS as well. And currently it is disabled. In another video, I will go into what HIPS does. And that is Host Intrusion Protection System. I won't go into it now in this video, but later on I will. Let's see how we're doing here. Okay, I'm back. Comodo has completed downloading the signature updates. It's installed the signatures, and now we are ready to perform a reboot on this system. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here and show you exactly what's going to happen after we reboot. Okay, we're back from our reboot. There should have been a prompt down here in the lower right hand corner to postpone or to restart. I don't believe that was captured in the last video, but you'd want to restart at that point. Now that we've restarted, now we have a dialog box here from Comodo offering some other products. For now, you can just go ahead and click Do Not Show this window again and hit the box in the upper right hand corner. As you can see, the widget for Comodo now is secure. It means that our antivirus database has been updated. There's a shortcut on your desktop. You can go ahead and double click that, and that will open up Comodo Antivirus. In another video, I'm going to show you some of the tasks, specifically the advanced tasks that you can use in Comodo Antivirus, which are free. And they're quite useful if you run into an infection on your system. Thank you very much for watching. If you found these videos to be helpful, please pass them along to your friends, family, and colleagues. And thank you very much for watching. If you have any further questions, you can send us an email to holodevtech@gmail.com, or you can give us a call at area code 805-315-5923. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.